Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and if there is any kind of doubt about my previous videos, then you can ask me. So today I'll be teaching about how to create the grids. So let me go to the geometric level, and here I will go to the foundation. Here I will go to the ground level, because I will be creating the everything in the ground level. So let me go to the ground level, or let me do one thing, let me go to the bottom level, that is the foundation level. After going to the foundation level, as you can see here, these are the various camera views: west, east. These are the various camera views, north and south. So in between these camera levels, first go to the foundation level. Let me close the ground level, or you can do one thing, in order to show both the levels side by side in the view, you can click in this tile view. See, it will show you in a side by side manner both the views in tile view, or else you can click on tab view. Let me do one thing, let me delete the foundation level, ground level. In the foundation level between the cameras, now I will create the grids. And for creating the grids, what you will do is, you need to go to the structure. You need to go to the structure. After going to the structure, what you will do is, so first moving to the foundation level, not in the structural plan, I have to minimize the structural plan. I have to move to the foundation level of the floor plan, because everything is done in the floor plans. Every type of drawings, grids, everything is done in the floor plans, but the view which I want it, I will check in the structural plans. The various kind of views will be noticed in the structural plan, but I will do everything in the floor plans. So first in the foundation level of the floor plans I will move. After moving it here, now I will go to the structure, I will create grids. Now let me create the grids. Suppose I have created this grid. After creating this grid, this one is number 1 grid. Now let me create the grid at an offset of my units are in. Let me check before creating, let me check my units. For that, type as UN. After typing in the keyboard UN, my units are in millimeter. So okay, everything is okay. Now I will click this line. As one of my grid is being created, now I will place another grids at an offset of, suppose I will create my room of 4 meter or 5 meter, so 5000. Now I'll check this line and I'll create grids: second grid, third grid, fourth grid, fifth grid. Okay, now my grids are created. 5 grids are created. Similarly, now press the escape button. Similarly, I need to create these numbering are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the grids. Now I will create again, click on the grids, and I will click the grids as, let me create one grid. So each number is 6. Let me escape it and now go to here and change the name from 6 to A. After changing the name, now again I will go to the grids. Now I will click in this line, pick lines. I will set the offset distance to again 5000. My room sizes will be 5000 by 5000 means 5 meter by 5 meter room. Now I'll okay. Now I'll click in this line and I'll create the grids. Now let me show you, as I have written here A, it will create it in a continuous fashion. B here. Now I'll create here C, then D and E. So now let me press the escape button. After that, let me arrange them in a proper manner. Hope it's clear to all of you how to create the grid lines in the floor plan foundation level. Okay. So hope it's clear to all of you how I have created the grid lines. Now I'll show you different properties. Just keep on watching. It's very interesting. So as I have created the grids, now let me go to the model line. You can see here the model line is present here. Okay, let me click in model line and simply click on model line. Sorry, not required in this side, it is required, model line is required in this side. Okay, now after creating the model line, again click on view, again click in the model line and right click here. Okay, again create the model line. I have drawn two model lines. Now what I need to do is, now go to annotate. After going to annotate, what I will do is I'll click on aligned. Now let me check the distance between these two lines. The line distance is this much. Again click on align. The line distance between this one and this line is, again click it. Now let me change the line distance to 2000. Click in this line. Now press the escape button. As I have not moved out of the command, now everything is, I have escaped. In order to change this value, I will click in this line and I'll change. After clicking in the model line, it will show you in this manner. Now create the distances 2000. Similarly, double click in the model line, escape button, double click in the line, create 2000. Now both are created, 2000 distance. Now let me move all my grids to this line, as well as let me move all my grids by moving and clicking it to this line. Now all my grids lines are being fashioned in a proper manner at a equal distance. Now I can delete those model lines. Now I have deleted those model lines. This is how I will create the grid lines in a proper fashioned manner. Now even I can change the cameras a little bit closer, and for that what you need to do is go to structure, then click in model line again, create one, model line, and similarly create another model line. Now move this to this level and move the same to the level. Similarly move the camera to this level and similarly move the camera to this level. Okay, now you can even click on the camera, and by the help of the up and down arrow or left and right arrow you can move this one a little bit closer. Now you can delete those model lines again. Model lines deleted. So hope it's clear to all of you how to create the grid lines. Now if I will check the grid lines in the ground floor, or the grid lines will be shown in all the floors in a proper manner. But I will show you another property. Suppose I will go to the foundation level, and in the foundation level I want to change a bit to this level. Suppose I have created this fifth grid line in this manner, but if I will now move to another level, suppose I will move in the foundation level, I have done the changes. If I will now move to the ground floor, no change. First floor, no change. Second floor, no change in this fifth one. But suppose I want to make the changes in all my floor. Suppose I want to make the same change of this, the changes which I have made in the grid lines in the foundation level. If I want to make the changes, same changes in all the levels, then what I will do is I will select all the grid lines. After selecting all the grid lines, I will click in propagate extents. After creating selecting the propagate extent, I can propagate the same changes to what floor I want. Suppose I will propagate the change I have made in the foundation level to the ground floor, then I can click in the ground level, then I'll click OK. Now I'll show you the changes. The same changes will be seen in the ground level, but I have not selected in any other floor. No changes will be there in other floor. So hope it's clear to all of you how to create the grid lines in the floor plans before the construction of the building. So I hope it's clear to all of you. So if there is any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Take care.